To work an increase, we are going to work that into a Tunisian knit stitch by doing a knit, yarn over, knit. So work a Tunisian knit stitch, yarn over, and work another Tunisian knit stitch all into that knit stitch below. Now I'm ready to work the return pass, so I'm sliding to the other end of my hook, and then I turn. And I am going to work the return pass up until we get to the increase. There's the increase, so make sure you do not accidentally yarn over and pull through all of those 3 loops. So take it slow and only yarn over and pull through 2, so you do not accidentally decrease any stitches on the return pass here. Now when we get to the next row, which is a row you are facing the wrong side of our work, to work into that increase, you stay in pattern by doing a knit stitch and then a reverse stitch and then a knit stitch, but since we are facing the wrong side, we are working those in reverse. I will finish the rest of this row and then turn my work to the right side. All right, so now we are facing the right side of our work, and that is what our increase looks like.